Hi, welcome to the short demo on how to use Akave with Snowflake. I'm Bart Hofkin, Solutions Architect at Akave, and I'll be demonstrating today how to connect your existing Snowflake account to an Akave Cloud instance, a more cost-efficient alternative to AWS S3. When using Snowflake with Akave, all you need to start is an Akave bucket, then create an external table in Snowflake pointing to that bucket. And in our demonstration, I'll show you how to copy data over from a Snowflake data sample. And then you can query on the data in external storage using the Snowflake engine directly. Now for the demonstration portion, I'll show you how to get started with Akave on Snowflake. All you need is a Snowflake account and some Akave O3 credentials, and we're going to kick it off by creating an S3 compatible external stage in Akave. Once we've done this, we unload some data into the Akave stage from a Snowflake sample dataset. You can see that 25 rows were unloaded into the stage. And then after creating a simple CSV file format, telling the engine to expect a CSV type with a gzip compression, we create an external table on the staged data. This external table lives on Snowflake, but points to the Akave bucket. So now when we query it, we're pulling the data directly from Akave with Snowflake, and you can see that it's all populating here. As you can see, using Akave with Snowflake is easy, and we also support Iceberg tables on Snowflake for higher performance workloads. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to connect with us, scan the QR code on the left to talk with the sales team, or join our Telegram on the right to learn more about Akave and get access to updates to their development tools. Thank you.